Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at the number plane, and starting off with our first video, we're going to start by deciding what the coordinates are for each of these points on this particular number plane. Now, everything along the horizontal is the x-axis, and everything along the vertical is the y-axis. So when we write our coordinate points, we're going to write them in the format x and then y, where x is how far along it is, and y is its vertical height, which can be negative. So let's start by looking at A. So an easy way to think about this is to travel along your number plane. So we've got 1, -2, -3, and -4. -4 along, and then 1, 2 up. Okay, so for A, the height, the distance along the x-axis is going to be -4, and its position on the y-axis is going to be 2. Alright, we can look at now, let's look at B. So B is all the way along at 3, and then it is simultaneously at -5 in terms of height. So we can write for B, that B is equal to 3, -5. Alright, let's look at C if we have it. Here we go, C. So C, we've traveled across 1. So our x-axis, x-coordinate for C is 1. And our y-coordinate is going to be 3. Alright, let's look at the next one. So for D, we have across on the x-axis to -2, and then down 1, -1. So the x-coordinate is -2, and the y-coordinate is -1. Okay, let's look at E. So for E, we are right here for the x-axis. We haven't actually moved, and that point right at the start is known as the origin. So for the x-coordinate, it's 0. For the y-coordinate, it is 1, 2, 3, and it is 4. So 0, 4. Alright, let's look at the next one. F goes all the way along to 5. So the x-coordinate of F is 5, and the y-coordinate of F is -3. Okay, finally let's do the last few. Let's do G, and then we'll do H. So for G, we've gone all the way along -1, -2, and -3. So our x-coordinate for G is -3. And our y-coordinate, well, we haven't moved off the x-axis, which means that our y-coordinate is 0. There is no height. Okay, finally H. For H, we have gone along the x-axis 1 and 2, and then we've gone down 1, 2, 3, and 4. So because we've gone across the x-axis 2, our x-coordinate is 2, and our y-coordinate is -4. Okay, so here's one you can practice. So just give the video a pause, and then I will go through the answers. Alright, let's start off with our Q. So for Q, we've gone all the way across -5. Okay, so for Q, our x-coordinate is -5, and our y-coordinate is 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do R. For R, our x-coordinate is 1, and our y-coordinate is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's do S. So for S, we go across -1 and -2. So our x-coordinate for S is -2. And our y-coordinate is 1 and 2, -2. Alright, for T, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our x-coordinate for this one is 4. And our y-coordinate is 1, 2, and 3, so -3. Alright, let's do U. So for U, our x-coordinate is 1, 2, and 3. And our y-coordinate is 1 and 2. Okay, next up is V. So for V, our x-coordinate is -1. So this is a U, this is a V, so we have -1. And our y-coordinate is 0, because we haven't moved off the line at all. Alright. Let's do W. W, our x-coordinate is going to be 0. And our y-coordinate is going to be -4. So 0, -4. Alright, and lastly, we can do X. So for our x-coordinate, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for X. And for Y, we're going down 1, so it's -1. Alright, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.